Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make curry cow foot. In Trinidad we call this meat curry, cow heel. So here we go. So here's my cow foot, also known as cow heel, as I know it in Trinidad and Tobago. And in total we call this bull foot. This is 2 pounds of the meat. Right, so what I'm going to do next, I am going to wash it out properly, then fill the bowl with some water, and then add some lime juice to it. So I'll be back. Okay, so here's the cow foot, all nicely washed out and everything. I'm just going to fill the bowl with some water. I'm going to add some lime juice. Now just let this sit in the lime juice water for about 10 to 15 minutes while I get other things ready in the meantime to prepare this curry cow foot, baby. Okay, so here's the cow foot again. I throw out the lime water, wash out the meat again, and now we're going to season the meat. So the first thing I'm going to add is some salt. I'm going to add some black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika powder, and curry. I'm going to add some turmeric powder. I'm going to add a big tablespoon of homemade green seasoning. This is about 5 garlic cloves that I grated here. And I'll just mix everything together. I'm going to use my hands. This meat is very tough, so if you have a pressure cooker, it will take less time, maybe about 40 minutes. You could use a slow cooker, or you could just put it on the stove on a pot, but it will take much longer, maybe about 3 hours maybe. That's what I'll be doing today. I was trying to get a pressure pot in time, but that didn't really work out. So I'll just put it in a pot, have some patience, and let this cook, take its time and cook. Now you see it's mostly like a lot of bone, and this is the flesh around here, very small bit of flesh, but when that gets nice and tender, it's gooey and really nice. I really enjoy it. By the way, I eat it on a regular basis because this meat, as like I said, this meat takes very long to cook. And it's not only time you have the patience, you want like a quick meal, So I'm gonna put this on the stove now with some water. Okay, so I have a very large pot here with water, 8 cups of water. I'm going to add the seasoned cow foot, and it depends on how long it takes to soften this meat. I may have to add more water, but I'll be monitoring it occasionally, so I'll know if to add more water or not. Okay, so this is a cow heel that has been cooking for about an hour now, right? Most of the water has basically boiled down, but the meat still has a long way to go to get fully tenderized. So I'm going to add another 8 cups of water to get and put the and allow the meat to continue to cook. Okay, another hour has passed, and here is the meat is almost tender. I'm going to let it cook for another half an hour. But before it's almost done, I'm going to add a few other ingredients. I'm going to add some tomato, some sweet pepper, and some chive, and let that cook with the cow foot. Give it some extra flavor. Here are the ingredients: tomatoes, sweet pepper, and chive. And for final added touch, I'm going to add some coconut milk. Now, I didn't really plan to add coconut milk initially, but then when I tasted it, I said, something is missing. And boy, I'm so happy I added that coconut milk. It took this dish to another level, baby. Tasted really, really good. And also, too, I forgot to mention, I added a bit of pepper sauce to give it a little spiciness. So here's the cow heel all done. This shot doesn't really give you the beauty, but don't fear, hold on. You will see the beauty of this dish in the presentation. Okay folks, here's my curry cow foot, looking so delightful, really, really good. Like I said before, I'm so happy I added that coconut milk. It tastes so good. I really enjoyed this dish. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.